Varun, welcome back to participating in digital things. So good to have you here. Let's talk sewers. That's really my favorite topic to talk at every dinner party I go to and every new person I meet. I want to talk sewers. But let's talk what a digital platform can do to help utilities with their collection system optimization topics.
Absolutely. I'm known for my wastewater talk in my dinner circles, so this is definitely one of my favorite topics. Um, in the United States, most municipal sewer systems were built decades ago and hence face significant challenges due to aging infrastructure, population growth, and increasingly intensifying wet weather impacts. Now, sewer utilities have typically responded to these challenges by performing capital-intensive projects such as infrastructure rehab and maintenance, expansion of their collection system, and implementing best management practices. However, with tightening budgets, utilities are starting to look towards data-driven methods to optimize their collection system operations. Digital water platforms can help by bringing data from deployed sensors onto a single platform and use hydraulic models, AI, and machine learning to help optimize operations and maintenance. For utilities, this means more data-driven cleaning and maintenance rather than going by schedule. Use of AI and machine learning to detect sensor anomalies and blockages, and employing models to forecast storm impacts on the collection systems for better planning.